Now for this course, I have a few advice. It is going to be a long course where I have over 16 hours of content together. So you're going to hear my voice a lot and you're going to have to work a bit. So the first thing is I want you to take notes. Take a notepad, take a pen, and take notes. The second thing is that you cannot learn without practicing. This is not a course where you sit back and relax. I want you to practice what I teach at your work, if possible, or at least do the hands-on with me. You will learn a ton by doing that. You need to set a target date for when you want to pass the exam if you want to pass it. Make it reasonable. Say, for example, I want to pass the exam in 2 months from now. Setting a target date will basically force you and encourage you to watch this course at an appropriate pace and also make sure you learn a little bit every day. If you don't have a target date, you'll just be pushing back and pushing back. So try it today, look at your calendar and say, okay, in 2 months from now, I'm going to pass the exam. If you feel overwhelmed at this course because it is a lot of content, please take breaks. Learning also happens when you sleep. And so if you don't take breaks, you're going to be overwhelmed. As well as the lectures are pretty hands-on, pretty to the point, and I go pretty quick. And so if you have a little bit of trouble with them, please rewatch them. This is video, so you can definitely rewatch as many times the lectures as you want. You can even go back to it a week later, no problem. The Udemy video player allows you to speed up or slow down the videos. So if you think I speak a little bit too fast, slow me down. If you think I speak too slowly, speed me up. Overall, try to find the pace that works for you. If you think that my English is a little bit too approximate sometimes, you can enable the subtitles. I have them professionally made, so you should be able to follow the course with the subtitles if you need to. And then, again, take as much time as you need. This is not a rush. This is about you learning a great technology and passing an exam at the end. There is no ticking time bomb, so just take as much time as you need. For this course, just the format, we're going to have a lot of theory lectures with slide and diagrams. I really like to explain stuff with diagrams, so I try to include them as much as I can. We'll have a lot of hands-on lecture to solidify the learning, so we'll be learning by doing. And all this learning will go after the theory lectures because I want us to learn how things work before doing it. At the end of every section, we're going to have quizzes, and these quizzes are going to be directly related to the exam. So the quizzes are going to be a good way for you to know if you know what you should be knowing. And then finally, at the end of the course, there's going to be a practice exam for you to see and assess where you are today. As I said, I've made subtitles for every lecture, so you should be fine. So again, welcome to this course. I'm happy to have you here. I'm excited to teach AWS to you, and I will see you in the next lecture.